I'm super tired and like not energetic at all. So we will see how many minutes we get through because I have a Japanese class tomorrow and I didn't do my homework until today and now it is past midnight. And so we are going to do some reading and see how it goes. Right, we're on the summary for the cat story. The secret, in case you're actually following along the book for some mysterious but also very cool reason. Let's see. 僕には秘密があります. I have a secret. Yep. この秘密は僕の飼っている猫のトラさんです. The secret I have is Tora-san the cat, or maybe? The secret is Tora-san, my cat. 僕のアパートはペットを飼ってはいけません. My apartment does not allow pets. In my apartment, pets are not allowed. そして僕のアパートの大家さんは怖い人です. And my apartment's manager is scary, I think. And my landlord is a scary person. Yes. Okay. 僕は半年前にこの町に来て一人暮らしをしています. 僕は in front city 来て something about living alone in front of the city. I'm not sure. Half a year ago, I moved to this town and started living by myself. 3ヶ月前に会社の上司からトラさんをもらいました. About 3 months ago, my boss gave me Tora-san, maybe? I then received Tora-san from my boss 3 months ago. Tora-san はいつも玄関で待っています. Something about Tora-san waits. Tora-san is always waiting for me at the entrance. ある日、仕事から帰って 玄関でトラさんと話をしていました。No, it's not every day. How did he? Some kind of day after work, and Tora-san speaks. I don't know. One day, coming back home from work, I was talking to Tora-san at the entrance. そして、親さんがTora-sanを見て、僕の秘密がバフました。I don't know. And then my landlord saw Tora-san and my secret something. Okay, my secret got disclosed. All right. 僕は親さんにこの猫を上司に漢字 without furigana します。と言いました。My landlord said this cat I don't know. Something about the cat. I told him I'll return her to what? Okay. I told him I'll return her to my boss. But yeah, no, there's more sentences. Okay. と言いました。でも親さんは大事にしなさい。と言って家に帰りました。I told him I'll return her to my boss, but the landlord said, take good care of it, and went home. That is the summary. That was 8 minutes. I don't know how my brain lasted that long, so I'm gonna call it quits. Ja.